sick, but I can't play poker. I'm very sorry. You don't want to play with me this week? No. Oh, why do that? Because I wanted to learn also questions. The problem is you. Oh my god, you look so sad. That's actually good. You're such a loser, you know that? I don't know why I couldn't forget tomorrow's day. And I hope you could just leave me alone. Or else I tell your mom that you smoke. Me smoke? I've never smoked before, girl. Stop talking nonsense. Nonsense, it's true. Mom? Yes, sweetie? Oh, she's not afraid, right? Absolutely, I know, honey. What's the matter? You see her, right? She smoked. She what? She smoked? I'm telling the parents. Please no, please no, please no. Why not? Are you scared? I'm. Shh. You just not anything, girl. Stop crying. Who's your parents? Hello, yeah. You know she's mom, right? Yeah. I just want to tell you something about your daughter. Your daughter smoked, and I'm really disappointed in her, and I don't like it. So hope you might call her, okay? Yes, ma'am. I'll call her right now. Okay, ma'am. I'll be waiting. How dare your mom? That's what you get for being mean. So you just sit here and talk to your mom. 2 minutes later. Yes, come in. Oh no. Hi. Hi, are you a mom? Hi.